Hey guys, I'm Karina, and today I want to show you how easy and how frugal, for lack of a better term, it can be to do your own nails at home. I've been doing my own gels for about 8 years, and I want to show you how simple the process can be and ultimately how much money it can save you in the end rather than going to the salon every 2 weeks or more often, depending on what you do and what your preference is. But it's so fun to do them at home. My collection has grown, and I can't wait to show you. So let's show you what it looks like. Hi everybody, and welcome back to my channel, Fit Me Plus 3. Karina here. If you're new, welcome, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you're not new, as always, I appreciate you and welcome back. So today I want to show you and share with you my 5 simple steps to do your own gels at home. I know you guys have seen me with my gels before and you ask a lot of questions, but these 5 simple steps will be to soak them and cut them, to file them, get them ready, to paint them, prep them, and dry them. It's as simple as that, and it'll help you get the gels that you want to last almost 2.5 weeks and not have to go to the salon and not have to spend the money every 2 weeks. So I hope you guys enjoy watching. I'm gonna change the camera view so you can follow along. And I'm gonna show you all the tools and all of the different things that I use and how I choose the tools that I use as we go. So first I'm gonna remove the current nail polish that I have with this steamer that I got on Amazon. It's important to make sure that you file off the top layer of the old polish and not skip this step so that it works appropriately and you don't have to do it more than one time. It takes about 3 to 5 minutes per hand soaking in order for them to come out just like this, where you can simply scrape it off without damaging the nail or any other part of the bed. Once both hands are done, it's time to prep and soak the cuticles so that we can clip them back. I use this tool in order to push them back. Make sure you don't push them back too far, but the more you can push them back and clip off just a little bit of dead skin, the better the nail polish will adhere and everything will look a lot nicer in the end. File them as you see fit and buff them out so that they're the shape that you'd like. Once that's done, use these alcohol pads to clean the nail before you put on the pH bond, which essentially dehydrates. Then here you can put on the foundation so that we can let that cure and make sure that the polish sets appropriately. Cure for 60 seconds. And the exact same thing for the other hand. Then of course choose your color. One thing I learned after getting my nails done for so long, the trick to make them look good is to not touch your skin. So you can see here that I keep a gap between the sides of my nail and the skin as well as the nail bed. And sometimes a common mistake that can be made is to fully touch the nail bed and the sides when you're painting and attempt to clean it up after. But I will tell you that that is not as efficient and it actually looks a lot cleaner and no one will notice if you just simply take the nail polish back and don't touch the nail bed. When I do my first coat here, I usually keep it light so I can set essentially a stencil for myself before I go in the second time. I don't put too much polish on the first layer just to make sure that everything's ready and steady and exactly where I want it to look, or excuse me, exactly where I want it to go and how I want it to look. Once that's done, cure for 60 seconds. and move on to the next hand. Go back in for your second coat, a little bit thicker this time. Cure for 60 seconds. And finish off the other hand as well. Cure for 60 seconds. Then we're going to top it off with the same brand polish. Cure for 60 seconds. And finish off the other hand as well. And cure for 60 seconds. Sometimes I will go in and cure it just a second time on that top coat. Finally, use the alcohol pad again to clean off the top and top with some cuticle oil. And you're finished. Your manicure is done. You've saved the money. You didn't even have to leave your house or your PJs. I hope you guys enjoyed watching today. I hope this inspires you to maybe try to do it at home and DIY. Please leave some comments below if you liked, if you enjoyed, if there's something else you'd like to see. As always, I appreciate you watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.